Hello, my name is Jean-Michel Bihorel, and I'm happy to have been invited by Gnomon Workshop to make this tutorial for you. I've been working in the CG industry for the past 15 years now, maybe 17, and I've been working for commercials, animated movies, VFX. So in this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create the tree I've made for this artwork. And for that, we're going to use mainly SpeedTree, and we're going to use the version 9 of SpeedTree with its new features to build this complex looking tree. So I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial, and I can't wait to see what you guys are going to do with these new techniques.